And how are you?
A very good afternoon to each and everyone. How are you all doing?
Good afternoon. We are fine.
Very good
Thank you.
afternoon. All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank
Very
you.
good.
You.
Very good. So, my dear students, today we will be continuing with the exercises of lesson number 10, Who is the Winner? In the previous session, we have learnt the meanings of specific important words and we have done question answers 1, 2 and 3, right? So today we will continue with the question answers and the other exercises. Okay, so before getting into that part, I want to make sure that you have understood what we have already done in the previous sessions. So let me ask you a few questions. Are you ready to answer? Yes. Are you sure? Okay, very good. Fine. Devdarsh, he's showing me a thumbs up. Good. Devdarsh, unmute. Tell me the meaning of the word idea.
A thought.
A thought. Very good. The meaning of idea is
It's
a
a
thought. Yes, very good. Devdarsh, help me with the spelling of thought. Thought. T-H. I will help you. Don't look at your mother. T-H.
T-H.
O-U.
O-U.
G-H-T.
T-H-E.
G-H-T.
G-H.
T. T.
T.
T. Yes. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. G-H-T.
G-H-T.
Yes. Thought. Thought. Idea. The meaning is a thought.
Thought.
A thought.
A
Okay. Thank you, Devdarsh. Good boy. Next, I want Ashwajit to unmute. Ashwajit, unmute and tell me the meaning of the word announces. Announces. What is the meaning of announces? Say. Announces. Do you remember? Say, informs everyone. Informs everyone. Yes, and the meaning of inform is to tell. So whenever we try to tell something to everyone, that is called announces. Okay? Announces. Announces. The meaning is informs everyone. Informs everyone. The meaning of announces is informs everyone. Understood, Ashwajit?
Yes.
Say now. Now you try to say. What is the meaning of announces? Informs everyone. Yes, yes. Very good. Thank you, Ashwajit. Okay. Abel Sijo, unmute. Abel Sijo, please unmute. Tell me the meaning of the word finishing post. Finishing post.
End point of the race.
Very good. Finishing post means the end point of a race. The end point of a race. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Abel. Now the next word is ran into. Ansel, unmute and tell me the meaning of ran into.
Yes, ma'am.
Ran into. What is the meaning, my dear? Ran into.
Hit.
Hit, yes. The meaning of ran into is hit. Okay, well done. Ansel, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, one more question I have for you. Ansel, do you remember who ran into a mountain? In the story, who is the winner? Who ran into the mountain?
Cheetah.
Very good, very good. Well done. Okay, fine. Now we will move ahead to the question answers. Ready? Samanvaya, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Which animals are placed in front?
Small and slowest animals are placed in front.
Okay, your answer is right. But we will try to write it as the small and slow animals. No need to write slowest. Okay, the small and slow animals are placed in front. Okay, well done, Samanvaya. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Fia, unmute. Fia, unmute. Yeah. Who is standing at the finishing post? Who is standing at the finishing post? Yes? Fia?
Mrs. Lion
Yes. Is standing
is standing
at the.
at the finishing post.
Very good. Very good, Fia. Thank you. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Anne Catherine, unmute. Anne Catherine, unmute. Yes. Tell me, who gets the prize in the end? Anne Catherine, tell me, my dear, who gets the prize in the end? Antelope, yes. Please tell me the answer in a complete sentence. Antelope.
That's a place. Right. Ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Hello. Ma'am, connection problem. Ma'am, connection problem. Ma'am. Ma'am, your video is stuck. Mommy is stuck videos. Daddy, English? Ma'am, I cannot go to each study. Ma'am, I cannot see you. I fear. ഞാൻ ആൻമിയെ കൊടുക്കും. Hi, Fia. How are you, Fia? Hi, Fia. How are you, Fia?
There was a power failure. That is the reason we were not able to continue with the session. Okay, now we can continue. So, Anne Catherine, you gave a very good answer. Antelope gets the prize. Okay, now we have lost some time in between. I'm going to share the screen, and while the screen is getting loaded, I request everybody to take the literature textbook and be on page number 16. 1616. Okay, keep your pencil and eraser with you because we are going to write the answers now itself. Are you all ready? Okay. I want Ryan to unmute and read the fourth question.
W-H-A-T.
What? W-H-A-T. What?
What?
D-O-E-S. Does.
What does lion S-A-Y
Say.
say in the A-N-D?
E-N-D. End.
E-N-D. End.
Yes. What does line say in the end? What does line say in the end? Ryan, look at the screen. See what line is saying. Please read it from here. Say. Ryan, can you see what the line is saying? Unmute, my dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it. See, the line is saying something. Please read it.
Y-O-U.
You.
You cannot.
W-I-N. Win.
You cannot win if
I-F. Yes.
you cannot stop.
Very good. So now do you remember what did line say in the end?
Yes.
So tell me the answer, my dear. Line says.
Line says you
Very good.
cannot win if you cannot stop.
Fantastic. Very good. See, you got the answer yourself. I just helped you a bit. Yes. Very good. Well done. Thank you, Ryan. Good boy. Come on, my dear ones. Let us write the answer. Lion, L-I-O-N. Lion says, S-A-Y-S. Says. I want everybody to put a small comma after the word says, then put one open inverted commas because now we are going to write something that line is saying. So whenever we write anything that someone is saying, we have to put it between inverted commas. Okay. When you go to the higher classes, you will understand it better. As of now, that much only is enough for you to understand. Okay. Line says U. The first letter should be a capital letter. Y-O-U. You cannot win. W-I-N. Win. I-F. If. U. Y-O-U. Cannot. C-A-N-N-O-T. Stop. S-T-O-P. Stop. Put a full stop, then close the inverted commas. Don't forget to put the punctuation as ma'am has put here. Okay, be very careful and write down the answer neatly and correctly. Lion says, you cannot win if you cannot stop. Lion says, you cannot win if you cannot stop. Are you all able to see the board? Those who have completed writing, please show me the book. I want everybody to read each word while you are writing it. Lion says, you cannot win if you cannot stop. Like that, I want you to read each word when you are writing it. Okay, Sivanedya, very good. Done? Fine. Veda, why have you written the second U with a capital Y? Only the first U needs a capital Y. And don't forget the closed inverted comma, last punctuation mark. Okay, now I move on to the next question. That is the value-based question number 1. Value-based question number 1. I want Devananda to unmute and read it. Yes, Devananda, please read it. It is there on the screen and in your textbook as well. Please read it, my dear. Why do you think
the
slow? S-L-O-W, slow.
animals
Yes. Were. W-E-R-E. Were.
were
Yes. Placed. P-L-A-C-E-D. Placed.
placed
Yes. I-N.
in
Yes. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Front. Okay. How? H-O-W. How? How? W-O-U-L-D. Would. Would. Would.
food
Would. 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 How would? Continue. T-H-I-S. This.
this
Ashwajit, pay attention here. H-E-L-P. If you are not able to read any word, please read its spelling. Devananda. H-E-L-P. Help.
help
Yes. Read the spelling. T-H-E-M. Them. Them. Yes. Why do you think the slow animals were placed in front? How would this help them? Devnanda, do you remember the 3 conditions put forth by Lion the King before beginning the race? Do you remember? What is the first condition? The race has to be what? The race has to be. What is the first condition? Forgot. See, read this. Devananda? Yes.
The race
has to be. Yes. F-A-I-R. Fair. Fair. Fair means to treat everybody equally. Okay. So to conduct the race in a fair way, Lion King put 3 conditions. What are they? He said that the slow animals have to be placed in front. He also said that cheetah, being the fastest, will be placed behind all the other animals. Yes, do you remember all that now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So keeping all those things in mind, we will write the answer. Okay, or we will frame the answer. So I'm going to take some words from the question itself. See, the. I will begin the answer with the word the. The. What is the next word? Slow. S-L-O-W. Then animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Were. W-E-R-E. Were. P-L-A-C-E-D. Placed. I-N in. F-R-O-N-T. Front. Two. T-O-2. G-I-V-E. Give. T-H-E-M. Them. A. F-A-I-R. Fair. C-H-A-N-C-E. Chance. I-N in. T-H-E. The. R-A-C-E. Race. Then put a full stop. The slow animals were placed in front. See, this portion I have taken directly from the question. So you can also copy it down from the question itself. The slow animals were placed in front. See, I have taken it from the question. Why? To give them a fair chance in the race. To give them a fair chance in the race. That is why I said, my dear students, you should read each word and then write it down. While writing, please read the words and write them. Dear KP, please sit straight and write. You're bending too much. Ansel also sit straight and write. Sivanedya completed? Very good. Please check the spelling of chance. Have you written it correctly? C-H-A-N-C-E. C-H-A-N-C-E, chance. Check that spelling. Ashif, sit straight. And Catherine, please sit straight and right. Dear CS, have you completed writing? No. Okay, right. Write carefully and neatly. Don't make any spelling errors. Fia, switch on your video, please. Okay, Ryan, please unmute and read the answer. You have completed writing, yes? Suresh
Yes,
also has
ma'am.
completed. Okay, Ryan, please read the answer to this question.
The more animal.
No. Small is not there. S-L-O-W, slow, yes.
The slow animals
Were, W-E-R-E, were
placed
very good.
in front
Yes.
to
Give, G-I-V-E, give. T-H-E-M, them, I-R, fair, yes.
CHANCE.
Chance,
Chance.
yes.
In the RACE. Race.
Very good. Well done. You read it very well. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. You're welcome. So, why do you think the slow animals were placed in front? How would this help them? The slow animals were placed in front to give them a fair chance in the race. Is everybody clear with the answer? Okay, I believe everybody has completed writing. I have stopped the sharing part here. Now, we have some time with us. Are you ready to play a small game? Yes. Ready? Ready? Okay, fine. I'm going to share the screen once again. If anybody has not been able to complete the notes, don't worry at all. Don't worry at all. I'll be sending the notes to you in the group. So at that time, you can complete it or copy it down from there. Okay. My dear students, I'm sharing the screen once again. Have you ever played the game which has the name person, place, animal, and thing? It has to do with the names of people, places, things, and animals. Have you ever played that game? Yes or no? Okay, fine. So first I will write person, P-E-R-S-O-N in the first column. Then I will write place, P-L-A-C-E, place. Then animal, A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. And the last one is, oh, I will write it here. Thing. T-H-I-N-G. Thing. So these are the 4 columns: person, place, animal, and thing. I'm going to give the first word, and it is English, which is right? English. The last letter of the word English is the letter H. Yes? H. I want Suresh to unmute. Suresh, unmute. And tell me one word which begins with the letter H. Tell me one word. Any word you can tell me, but it should begin with the letter H. H. Any word you can say. Come on.
Thing.
H, H. The letter H.
Start with H.
The word should start with the letter H. There are so many things. Suresh, tell me, where are you sitting at now? Where are you sitting? Are you at school or at your home?
Home.
Home, right? So home. Ha. Which letter does it begin with?
H.
Yes. Now you tell me, home or house. Is it the name of a person, place, animal, or thing? House or home? What is it? Is it the name of a person, place, animal, or thing? Place. Very good. So I will write the word house here. H-O-U-S-E. House or home. Both are correct. Okay, well done, Suresh. Now, the last letter of the word house is E. So the next student, I will ask Zara, unmute and tell me another word that begins with the letter E. E. House, the last letter is E. So the next word should begin with E. Come on, any word you can say, any word, no problem.
Elephant.
E. Very good. Which category should I put it? There are 4 columns. Where should I write? Person, place, animal, or thing. Where should I write it, Zara? Yes, very good. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Now the last letter of elephant is T. Thank you, Zara. Next I move to Prithvi. Prithvi, unmute and tell me another word that begins with T. Any word.
Tiger.
Unmute. Tiger. Very good. Where should I write it? Which column?
Animal.
Very good. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Okay. The last letter is R. I want Diya KP, unmute and tell me another word which begins with R. Unmute. Diya KP, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. R. The next word should begin with R. The letter R.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Very good. Where should I write it?
Animals.
Very good. Okay. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. The next word should begin with T. Nanika, unmute and tell me. The next word must begin with the letter T. Nanika, unmute, my dear. Yeah. Say. T. Please try a person's name or a place's name or a thing's name. See, all the other columns are empty. Nothing is there in them.
Tap.
Sorry?
Tap.
Tap. Did you say tap?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Which column should I write it?
Ping.
Very good. T-A-P. Tap. Thank you, Nanika. Well done. Ishan Krishna, unmute and tell me one word from P, beginning with the letter P. Ishan, unmute. Unmute. P.
Paper.
Paper. Where should I write it?
Thing.
Thing. Very good. P. A. P. There is no need to say R at the end. Paper. Paper.
Paper.
Yeah, good. Don't say R at the end. Thank you. Next I move to Abel Sijo. Unmute. With R. The letter R. Sorry? Sorry? Ryan. Did you say Ryan?
Yes.
Where should I write? Which column? Person. Very good. And whenever we write the name of a person, we have to remember that the first letter of the name must be a capital letter. Always keep that in mind. Okay? Very good. Thank you. Next, I go to Malavika. Unmute. Give me one word which begins with the letter N. Yes, Malavika, unmute. Unmute. Try. What happened, Malavika? Unmute, unmute. Yeah, try now. Try. Ah, okay. N with the letter N.
Nilan.
Sorry?
Nilan.
Nilan. Is that a name of a person?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Can you tell me the spelling? Spelling? L-I? N-I? Yes.
L.
L?
A.
A?
N.
N. Okay, N-I-L-A-N. Nilan. Very good. Okay. Okay, good. Nice name. Okay, thank you. Next, I move to Anton Sminto. Unmute. Tell me one word which begins with the letter N. Anton Sminto, unmute. Yeah. Tell me any word that begins with the letter N. Sorry? N.
House.
No, it should begin with the letter N. N. It should begin with N.
N.
It should begin with N. The word should begin with N. Say clearly, I cannot understand what you're saying.
Nine.
Sorry?
9.
9.
9. Usana.
N. N.
Nana.
Nana. Okay. Did you say Nana? I could hear it as Nana. And if it is Nana, it is the name of a person. Yes, yes. Okay, fine. Yes, thank you, Anton. Next, I will ask Ashwajit. Unmute and tell me one word which begins with A. A. Say fast, my dear. A. Say fast. It is time for me to wind up the session, Ashwajit. Anything. Okay, I will write your name. It begins with the letter A, right? Do you want me to write your name?
Yes.
Yes. Ashwajit. A-S-W-A-J-I-T-H. Ashwajit. Okay, happy? Ashwajit is happy? Okay, so my dear students, did you understand how this game is played? You can play this game indoors at your home, in the safety of your homes, with your family members, your cousins, your friends, your parents. You can play this game with anybody. It will help you a lot in improving your vocabulary, right? So with this, we have come to the end of today's session. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye.